Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. In this video it's about replacing a battery for remote control or the keyless entry for Toyota Highlander 2009, and this is the factory fob. So the remote here, lock, unlock, trunk and the alarm, it doesn't work because the battery is completely dead. And when you even when you get inside the car and trying to start the engine, push button, it's there's a message that says on the computer key is not detected, so that means the battery is completely dead, or just left a little bit life on it. So it's time to replace it, and it's so easy and simple. You can see there is no screws, but it's kind of locked both sides in. And so first remove, there is a key here, and you push this, release the key. So in case if your battery completely died and you press unlock trying to get inside, usually this, when you carry this with you, you get close to the SUV, the Toyota Highlander 2009 Hybrid Limited, and it locks automatically. So, and or you can just press this and it should unlock everything. But when you press this, or you get close to your car and the car does not unlock, so that means the battery died completely. And what you need is remove the key here, just like this. You see here, you push it in like that, and then when you push this, release it. So here, this key, you can get inside your car, like unlock the door, but you cannot start it because you need to replace the battery, of course. So that's what I'm using. I use this one, kind of really sharp razor blades, because you need anything sharp should work. And you just kind of find like here, maybe this side or this side, this corner. Starts so easy, just like you push it a little bit, and then you go a little bit far like that, just easy. Start from here. Here we go. And then just use a little finger and pops up like that. And here are the battery. One single battery, and it is 3 volts. Okay. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the right battery this size. I bought some. I used like those are a little bit bigger, you can see, and they are not the same size. So that's usually those standard for most remote starter, but this time not. It's a kind of a small battery, and it should be available on most hardware stores. and or online you can buy, and always best to buy good quality, because the cheap quality usually they don't last long and they die quickly. So I'm going to try if I can find the right battery for this one, but it's so simple as you can see. And here are the bottoms for the thing. So this is the back, and okay, so be back. So just a quick test and to see what's the voltage for this. .7 volt. That reading could be fault reading, and you can see why. This is also new one, 3 volt. That's 3.3. This is a brand new battery, and this should read just over 3 volt, but it doesn't. That means the battery is dead. Okay, so here's a trick. I don't recommend anyone using it. It's just for emergency. Just for demonstration for now. So that's the battery. It's dead completely, and it's very has very low voltage. This is the car battery charger, and so there's 12 volt, 6 volt. I'm using 6 volt setting, and this is negative, positive. So the negative goes here, the positive goes here, and hold it for a few minutes, like a few seconds, maybe a minute, or at the most a minute or so. And then when you feel the battery getting hot, remove it right away. Wait until the battery gets a little bit cold, and then start over again. Never keep them, because otherwise the battery will explode and make a big mess. So make sure you hold it for a few seconds. This is just to give the battery a charge, like a quick charge, and only for emergency, because I don't have this battery. I'm gonna have to buy it. It's gonna take me time, but the way I'm doing it now, it will be good for at least few more days before the battery will die again. Just give me time to buy a new battery. So the best way you can tell for sure if the battery has a fault voltage, or it's completely dying. So here is the best way to tell. So test it, like when you see this in brand new battery, the voltage at 3.350, and so okay, so the voltage stay as is and never drop slowly. You see here, even if you remove it again and you hook it up again, 3.350. so it stays always has, because it's a battery brand new, and it's really good and it holds the voltage no matter how. Okay, so this is the bad one, or the dead one, and you can see here what happened when So 2.2, 20, 19, and you can see 18. It kind of drops slowly. 17, and so the more you hold it, the more will drop the voltage. So it's kind of voltage leaking because the battery is weak, and this is just fault voltage. It's not real voltage. And so you see now it's 13, and even if you remove it, wait for a few minutes, and you test it back again, even get less. See, now it's 2.911, and it's gonna be 10, so now it'll be 9, and so on. See, and so the battery does not hold the voltage. It's too weak, too old, and time to replace it. The way I showed you before to kind of get it posted with some voltage, kind of a quick charge with a car battery charger, did not work. However, it worked a little bit. As you see, the before when I took the battery out, it was 2.7. Now it's 2.9. Yeah, so it just gives you a little voltage, not much, but of course the battery will die again in a day or in hours or so. And so now we'll give a quick test here just to show what's happening. And when there's a flash red light here. See, when I press unlock, now the battery works, but as I said, for emergency, because we give it a quick boost of voltage, so it should work for a couple hours, maybe a day or so. Now it's locked, you see, now it's unlocked. So basically, you know, it didn't last long, but as I said, the best way is to buy high quality battery. That way it will last long. And so yeah, still good. Anyway, I'll probably go shopping tomorrow or so and find a good battery, but for now I'm just gonna install it back. And well, let's put this one first, just like that, and this one goes like that. Just like that. And check again. Now it should be okay for at least a couple days or so until I find a new battery. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Check out other videos on the multi-channel YouTube. It's services and entertainment. We would like to thank all the subscribers and everyone supports this channel. All the best, and see ya next video.